Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, navigation system, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.